an addendum
Okay.
this week.
This week, wow.
So
Line
I'm
of Judah
looking
in
for other.
addendum.
Yes, I know.
And Cocoa Villa.
And Cocoa.
Villa.
Where's Cocoa Villa at?
In addendum, opposite the parish.
Yeah, opposite. Just
Oh, that's the land opposite. Cause someone said Cocoa Villa. I'm like, where was that at?
In addendum.
So that's across from the palace.
Yes, across.
You sell that too?
Yes, we saw that one.
Joe. What next time next time I come back down here, can I schedule a tour?
Yeah.
And you show me the land so I can. You guys still doing the same thing? Leasehold 50 years, 99 years.
Yeah,
50
we
millions?
do 99 years.
Straight 99?
Yes. And we are able to register it for you.
Okay.
We have registered Blair family.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
They were just here last week.
Yes.
Did you see them?
Okay, I see her here. Yes. Went there to give the document.
How long has it been taking to get the indentures done?
6 weeks.
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
Some of the husband.
Yeah. You know how to get a picture with you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we're starting to build.
You see the chief, how we have their background. The chief only cannot bring his money. Once they have property, they can sell it to develop the family.
Okay.
So what they do is they sell some of the property, the land, and they used to help the family.
Okay.
In terms of where they do their meeting, and help the youth to go to school.
Yeah.
These are some of the tasks. One of my brothers built this house.
Oh, nice. Oh, so your brother helps build too.
Yes.
And are you an actual, you're a
Yes.
contractor too, right? Yeah.
Sometimes the work, I just give him some of the work to do.
Get a workout on. Good Lord.
Sorry.
Man, I'm feeling it though. This is nice. For real. But you know, it's so, your prices compared to addendum. It's a little bit more here because of course, more door to the view.
Yes.
And you're closer to the ocean too.
Yes.
Downward though, that's just like a valley down there. And then get a view of that, because that's what the view would be. You good? Can you? Uh-oh. It's a little bit taller too, so you guys can see a little bit better. Even with the landscape over there with the trees and the different colors, that's beautiful. That reminds me of home back there.
Start from where we entered up.
Now, okay, so this is pretty high up. So with the borehole, how much of the borehole? You gotta dig down deeper?
Those who are building over there have to go.
Yeah. How much that doing cost?
The gold,
USD?
no, Ghana
Ghana
cedi.
cedi.
For doing a borehole.
Even in this location, so, because it's kind
Yes, the same price.
Same price.
Fixed price. Yeah, even the first one, we have do a sketch about it. We have put photos over there.
Nah.
But the man would be a little bit set further back.
Yeah,
because
for the back. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I like the first one. I feel like they're a little bit closer.
Yeah. Even the front, the road is coming from the front.
So this is gonna be a little road right here.
Road before the back will go back. So they can drive in front of your house.
Okay. Probably not on the land. It's not like gonna be built up from bottom there.
Yes. Oh, see. Yes.
Hi, welcome back to the platform. So today we are here at Hilltop Ocean View Land at Biriwa. And then we are here with Mr. Blair from the Blair family. He is here to also check the land for someone else. And we were actually here to have a video call with a prospect. And they are interested in getting a land here at the Hilltop Ocean View Land. So since we have him here on the land with us, we would like him to, just share something small with us as to what he has seen so far coming here, the view and everything. Like, this is not a scam. Since we have him here, he can attest to that for us. Yes,
So, okay, you see the view right now, right? Just imagine once all this clears, how much you'll be able to see the whole ocean, and how you can build your house, whether it's low, whether it's 2 stories or whatever. And you just have to have the vision for it. Like, it's nice, but once it gets started, that's when you'll know, like, that's it. Like people coming already, they already building, they already buying plots. So all it takes is for more people to come, and you'll be able to see all of that.
we are in Biriwa. Okay, so right from Yamaransa going to Accra, taking the Accra road, you get to Biriwa. From Biriwa to Salt Pond and then to Mankesim, which is the roundabout. Then you branch towards the Accra road, right? Yeah, so we are currently in Biriwa. That is where we have the Hilltop Ocean View Land. And we happen to help Mr. Blair out with his land registration, which was a success. And since he is here, we would also want him to share something to you out there if you are also planning or looking for who to help you with your land registration. We have someone here who has gone through the process.
I went through it, yeah. So yeah, we reached out to Joe to help us with the land registration, because you don't really know what you're doing as much, so you have to try to find somebody that knows what they're doing. So we reached out to Joe. They linked us to the right person, and we went to the office, and Joe actually met us at the office. And from there, it was history. It's just, we paid our money and we waited, and finally it came back. The land registration, I have the deeds, I have everything. So yeah, and we appreciate Joe. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming with us. Thank you so much for having a tour here at the Hilltop. We hope that those that are interested from your end will be willing to purchase a land here. The place actually has a good view, and so if you are looking to buy a land close to the sea or which has the ocean view, here is right there for you. Hilltop Ocean View at Biriwa. We are here for you. FLC is here to help you own your land here in Ghana and build your home. So please do not hesitate to check in the description box down below for every information. Get in touch and let's help you out. Thank you so much, and we'll see you later.